Hello, I got your question here. The answer worked it on a piece of paper. You're given this formula which models a situation where somebody's throwing up something in the air on, I think it's the moon. So you got somebody that's tossing something in the air and it's hitting the ground. Time passes in seconds, and then the height is in feet. It changes, it goes up and it comes down. Part A says, when is it going to get up to 12 feet? Be up to 12 feet on the way up and the way down, very likely. So you take the formula, and S stands for height, and you put in 12 feet. Then you need to solve a quadratic equation. It's the previous section. You subtract 12 from each side, obtain S, divide everything by -1. I don't like dealing with a negative A. I like a positive A, and so A's 2.7, B is -30, and C is 5.5. And here I wrote out the quadratic formula. You put those carefully in it, particularly B. I mean, this is a -30, B's a -30, so minus -30. It's going to come out positive. Square that, they'll come out to 900. I went ahead and multiplied and obtained that answer. Denominator's 5.4. So you need to subtract. I stopped here. You need to subtract and take the square root of it. Then it'll be 30 plus and minus that divided by 5.4. So it looks like it'll give you two answers here. That's part A. Part B asked you when is it going to hit the ground over here. Well, the height when it hits the ground is 0. So you just, instead of putting in the 12, you put in 0 for the height. And you want to solve this. Again, I like a negative A, or positive A, so I divide everything by -1. So A's 2.7, B's -30, C's -6.5. So you want to repeat this process, but if you look here, the only thing that changed was C. And so instead of using 5.5, you use -6.5. And you crunch it out. Hope this helps.